Hello, it's Chris from Music Cards, and this is the second video in a tutorial series on how to use music cards. So before we get started, uh, in the last video we learned how to get logged into the dashboard. And before we go on too much further, I want to show you a real quick tip. If you're ever kind of forget how to do something or you want a little bit of help or something, this question mark up here is the place you want to go. You just click on it and there are some helpers which you can turn them on or off. I'm going to have them off because it gives more viewing space to see everything in the UI. But you can go click on this Getting Started, and you can have some very quick little how-tos to get you around. We're not going to be doing that because you've chosen to watch the video, but if you want to stop the video and explore it, if you like to kind of experiment around yourself, you can go ahead and use this. The topic of today's video, we're going to create some students. The reason why we need to create student profiles in Music Cards is because that's where you get all of your data and it is all nicely compiled. So if you have a particular student, say Ethan, who plays flute, you want to know how they're doing, well, you create a profile for them. And then when they practice music cards, they use that profile. And then the information that gets sent to you, you know is coming from him. And you can get a lot of really good information on what they know and what they don't know, so you can plan your instruction accordingly. So the place we need to go is we need to go to the Plan tab, Students, which is where the site should usually start you out, but that may change in the future. And we're going to click at the top here, Add Students. From there, you can enter a name for them. You don't have to use their actual name. If you want to have some sort of a code or something that you use instead, just to keep the students' names out of this platform, that's perfectly fine. You just need to enter one letter. I'm just going to put in some generated names. And so here's Ethan Anderson. He is in 6th grade and he plays the flute. So then if we want to add more than one student, we can go ahead and add another person. This is going to be Olivia Ortegas, and she's going to be in 7th grade and she plays the clarinet. And with all that, we go ahead and click Save and Close, and we have our two students here. I'm going to add a bunch of extra students off camera so that you can see what the full list of students looks like. Okay, so I've taken a little bit of time to go put in the rest of the band that I have, and I really just only took a few minutes to do. And you can see now you have a full list of students, and it looks like it might be a little bit overwhelming. And you can also see it's on multiple pages. If you use these little arrows here, you can navigate through all of your pages and get to the end. Also, if you like to scroll vertically, you can select how many you want to see per page, and you can see them all together here. You can also go ahead and sort your students. So if you hover over name, and if you click here, you can see that I've just sorted everybody by first name. If I click on it again, I reverse the order of the sort. If I go to the right side of their name, I can sort them by their last name. And same with that. And I can also sort them by grade. So I have my 7th graders first and then my 6th graders, or I could go by instrument. And if I want to go ahead and edit something on the student, like change a certain part of them or something like that, I can just click on the little pen next to their name and I can come up and edit the student and make some changes here. In the next video, we're going to start talking about groups, which is a way you can keep your whole band organized. This actually is 2 bands that we have, so I need to go split them up into groups so I can have 2 manageable lists to work with. So stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoy creating students in music cards. Have a great day.